So hello guys, I'm going to show you how to bypass HDCP on PlayStation 3. Sorry for my bad English because I'm from Indonesia, and sorry guys because my English is very bad. Okay, let's jump in the tutorial. First you need to do is buy the Elgato game capture. This right here is Elgato game capture, and this is my PlayStation 3. If you connect the PlayStation 3 to the Elgato, the screen is black and not connected. So you need to do is buy this some little thing right here. This little thing right here is called PS2 to HDMI. You can buy this on Amazon or whatever that is, on Shopee. In my country, I buy this in application named Shopee, guys. So this is for PS2, right? This is PS2 to HDMI. It's also work in PlayStation 3. So you need to do is connect this to PlayStation 3 and connect the USB, of course, right here. Connect to the USB in PlayStation 3. So I'm gonna connect this right here. It's very hard to connect because it's real dark, man. Okay, this is connected to USB, and let's go connect to back of PlayStation 3. And you don't have to buy this, and you don't have to buy any other stuff to bypass HDCP. You can buy this little thing, and it's very cheap, not expensive, right? And if you connect this, you go to the display setting right here. Go to the display setting and video output setting. You can choose component and D terminal. Choose them and change. Click enter, and you fast to unplug this and plug this in HDMI to PS2. You can, if you're black screen, you can struggle to connect this. Oh shit, it's really hard, man. Okay guys, let's try again. This little shit is really hard to connect it to my PC. Okay, and there you have it. You can choose the highest resolution that PS3 have. I have a 180p and 720, and press enter. Press right on your stick. Okay, the audio it's set to audio input connector. not HDMI or optical digital, it's audio input connector. Because if you choose HDMI or optical digital, you can hear anything. Press a right button and click enter. So there you have it. You get PlayStation 3 and a little connector. And then moving around, and then you unplug this in your TV and you plug in into the Elgato game capture. Okay guys, I'm connected the HDMI to PS3 with this thing. Okay, so let's jump into the PC. Okay guys, and this is my PC. You can choose the game capture HD, sorry for my icon. You can just capture, and there you go, nothing, because the HDMI is very hard to connect it. So guys, if your the game it's black screen, so I connect this to Elgato right here, and right here this is my PlayStation 3. If your game is still black screen, you can unplug it and plug again, because this is product is made from China and not connected very well. So if you're still on black screen, you can unplug and plug again, yeah. Okay guys, this Elgato is connected, and yeah, no HDCP right here. There is no HDCP right here, and with little tools, yeah, with little tools, you can now record the PlayStation 3 with Elgato game capture. And we can setting this. I use Xbox 360 because Xbox 360 is same with PS3, and the input device, there are no PlayStation 3 because PlayStation 3 is bypass the HDCP and not supported for Elgato game capture. Now I use Xbox 360 and use HD 720, allow 60 FPS, and there you have it. You can record Elgato. You can record the PS3 with Elgato with no lag and no delay. And yeah, there you go guys, there you go. So I can play the GTA right here. You can play any other game, yeah, on PlayStation 3 with your PC. So the tutorial is very easy, right? You can streaming in OBS and other application that you have. Alright. We're gonna wait for the game started. The game looks great, yeah. The FPS is no delay and no lag with Elgato. This is no lag at all. Yeah, the loading is very long for current gen. I mean old generation of console. The loading is very long. Okay guys, this is the GTA old generation. You can play the game on your Elgato and you're streaming it. Thank you for watching, and this is no delay at all. Zero delay with Elgato. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.